in the Washington, D.C. community.
Yes, yes.
Amen. One more time for Melvin Miller and the African American Summit. Okay, well, you know what? This lady came in, I recognized her right away. She don't realize how much I remember her because she had a poetry group that she was doing poetry with some other sisters. And I think they became, I call it Farad. I think they became Farad's favorite poetry group. I do think so. And I do think that you all are going to, I know you all are going to enjoy. So without further ado, would you please give Joy some warm love and welcome her as she gives you some of her love.
Present two poems at this point as my contribution to this celebration of life. And this first poem, because John loved art, I mean, you knew when you came in the gallery that it was about the art connecting the community, making the community whole. So I'm going to present this first original poem titled The Melody of Art. And I would love any musical accompaniment that is available here tonight. But this is for the spirit of John Farad, The Melody of Art. The melody of art is magnificent. It's a wondrous and beautiful thing. Embrace her gift. Invite her inside. She will teach your soul to sing. Listen to art's luscious language. Take time to see and hear her tune. Her music calls each of us from her canvas, flows throughout this entire room. It pours from walls of embellished panels, dances down easel-filled aisles, twirls inside hearts and memories. Come, savor her flavor a while. The melody of art is amazing. Her spark starts deep within your soul. A quiet, tender babe at birth, but her blossom is awesome and bold. At the onset, she may be quite timid. Then in a flash, she'll sass, change with the wind, dancing pirouettes on canvas, serenading your soul if you let her in. She also grooves through voices deep, lifting you from depression. She'll wake you, taking some good sleep, till you find just that right expression. Just listen to her silhouette. Embrace her palette of hues. Beware. Her power intoxicates when she dons her best dancing shoes. You see, art is music, is life, is love. It is a most exquisite thing, painting our spirits with rainbows, shining bright like diamond rings. Yes, the art of the melody of art is magnificent. It is a truly wondrous and beautiful thing. Embrace her grace. Invite her inside. Let her for John Burroughs.